My name is Yuliani Eka Saputri, class management B, student number 202,111,189. The title journal is The Effect of Experiential Marketing and Service Quality on Customer Satisfaction and Repurchase Intention on Coffee Janji Jiwa Kudus. Number 1. The abstract of this journal is one of the rapidly growing business ventures in the era of globalization in the cafe. This can be seen in the number of cafes that have sprung up in the Kudus city area. Not a few of the cafe presence has brought different concepts to attract visitors which vary from the design of the cafe's interior or the products they offer, whether it's in the form of food or drink. One of the business that is currently developing and has an interesting concept in the Cafe Janji Jiwa. Cafe Janji Jiwa is one of the coffee shops that are in great demand by people from young to adult. The purpose of this study was to determine the effect of experiential marketing and service quality on customer satisfaction and repurchase intention at the Cafe Janji Jiwa. Number 2, introduction of this journal is the background knowledge. Eating and drinking are basic human needs. So a business engaged in food and beverage is of course one of the fields that has great profit opportunities. One of the business that is growing rapidly at this time is a cafe. The cafe itself comes with a concept that not only offers food and drink, but also offers a suitable place to just relax, chat, and take picture with a unique cafe interior concept. The cafe business can be said to have expanded throughout Indonesia, including in Kudus. Kudus, which is also a city with a dense population, is certainly an opportunity for cafe players. This can be seen from the many cafes popping up in Kudus that offer different concepts with diverse apples. One of the attractions that can be served by cafe is related to the quality of service. Consumers will generally be happy to visit a cafe that offers good service or has a good quality of service. Service quality itself can be interpreted as an effort given to meet the need and desires of customers so as to be able to balance the expectation, cost, expectation of customers. Cafes that have quality service and products as well as appropriately competitive pricing will affect the satisfaction felt by consumers. Consumer satisfaction will arise when the need and desires expected by consumer can be met properly. The problem formulation. The development of the cafe industry business has resulted in more and more new cafe business popping up which causes high competition. So that there needs to be a competitive advantage that is owned by every cafe. One of the competitive advantage cafe can have is the quality of service. This service quality factor is not merely a competitive advantage, but can also affect many other things. One of which is related to the level of customer satisfaction. However, the level of customer satisfaction cannot be interpreted as will that the business is successful, but customer satisfaction can be benchmarked from business regarding the level of success of their business. The focus and reserve hub. One of the cafes that are currently popular is Cafe Janji Jiwa. Cafe Janji Jiwa is a franchise business that is growing rapidly in Indonesia. The main reason why Janji Jiwa was founded is not only for profit, but also to educate the public. The vision and mission of the founders of Janji Jiwa is that every product's profit can be memorable and profit and unforgettable experience for consumers. Janji Jiwa was founded by Faris Junilar Maurizal in 2011. Win was originally located in the Jakarta area and until December 2122, Janji Jiwa managed to sell 3 million cups per month with the number of outlets reaching 74 outlets. Janji Jiwa also has many menu variant and distinctive coffee flavors as well as more affordable bridges for millennials. Janji Jiwa places its advantage on the quality of the products itself, then place or outlet that give a comfortable impression for carrying out activities, as well as the best service quality that can provide an unforgettable experience for every consumer. Previous researchers with the same as know. This research was conducted when we visited and bought coffee at a coffee shop, and at that time we were interested in research and journaling. I hope that I can embrace and imitate their efforts and their way of working. Review of relative literature. Experiential marketing. Experiential marketing based on the wording. Experiential marketing consists of two words, namely experiential and marketing. Experiential itself is, if interpreted, is an experience, and marketing is marketing. So that it can be interpreted that experiential marketing is a marketing effort carried out with certain approaches that profit and experience for customers. Experiential marketing is a marketing method that emphasizes the experiences that consumer will have when buying these goods and service, which will have an impact on customer satisfaction. Service quality. Service quality can be interpreted as a level of excellence that is expected to meet the needs and desires of customer. Service quality can consist of two main influencing factors, namely related to the service expected by consumers of the expected service and the perceived service. Furthermore, service quality can be considered as a comparison of expectation and performance. Comparison of this performance is related to the expectation by consumers with the performance that occurs. Number 3, methodology. This research is a quantitative research using a causal research to find the relationship between the specific variables. The object of this research is Blikopy fish is operation in the Kudus area. So the population asked to conduct this research are people who have bought products from the Blikopy. Number 4, empirical result and discussion. Experiential marketing which is owned by Cafe Janji Jiwa is said to be getting better, which is also followed by increased satisfaction felt by consumers, so that it continues to profit positive brand experiences to customer and makes customers more satisfied. The result of this calculation show that service quality is able to affect the level of satisfaction of consumers. Consumers who get good service during the purchase will certainly feel satisfied because their needs and desires are well met. Number 5, conclusion. It is conclusion based of on the research above that the relationship between each variable has an effect on the customer satisfaction and repurchase intention variables at the Chanjiwa in Kudus, so that the hypothesis between variables is very supportive and influential.